Just look at me now. Sunset it goes. Look at me now. Free, so look at me.
Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday now. And if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're going to get into this Valentine's tutorial. I'm doing this video a little bit different. I hope y'all like it. I realized that I don't really talk very much in my videos, and I should. So yeah, I'm gonna be talking a lot more. I'm only gonna have like little clips here and there when I'm doing my makeup of like, what would you call it, like audio. So yeah, I'm just gonna be talking from now on, and I hope that y'all like that a lot better. So let's get straight into this Valentine's look. This Valentine's look is gonna be more of a softer kind of glam. It's still gonna be glam, it's still gonna be that pop that you need for Valentine's. It's just gonna be a little bit more natural. I really don't ever play with too many browns, so yeah, we're just gonna be playing with some soft browns today. Gonna do a pop of red lip, and yeah, we'll get to there. Alright, let's get straight into the video. So first, getting the Jeffree Star concealer. If y'all don't have the Jeffree Star concealer, y'all can use whatever concealer y'all have as a base. Y'all want to make sure to use concealer or some type of base, because that way your eyeshadows will show up more, and that way you're able to use light shades and get the color out of it. So after this, I usually take a white shadow, but Jacqueline was not thinking the same for me. She added a white shimmer to my eye. I thought it was a white shadow, but it ended up being a shimmer, and I mean, it ended up working out fine. It actually gave my eye a lift. So if y'all want an eye lift without the cost, definitely use that shade. So that tan shade that I just picked up, you want to make sure to grab the shade underneath it as well, and continuously add depth to your eye in the crease area, starting from the outer portion and slowly working it in. I don't know where that clip went for me, but I hope that y'all understand. It's basically the same method that I just did right there, and you slowly bring it in. I wanted to keep the depth more on the outer portion of my eye, just to add that more cat eye. If y'all are into that and y'all want to look fierce and y'all want to look sexy, definitely go for this look. I promise y'all will not want to go back. So here I just kept going back and forth with those shades and just blending it out. I ended up adding an even darker brown. And that was the previous shade y'all just seen. It honestly added so much depth to the eye in the outer portion where I wanted it, and still kept it very blended and blurred. I honestly love this look for so many people, because it's honestly preferred out of all the looks that I do. I can pretty much do any look, but these are the more, I guess you would say, asked for looks. A lot of people like more natural, more Kim Kardashian, if you will. Yeah, so if you're into this feline sexy look, make sure to keep that focused on the outer portion. So here I'm just going back and forth in between those shades, that dark brown that I showed and the light brown, and just kept adding depth in between. Here, taking the Jeffree Star concealer to cut my crease. I only wanted to cut it a little bit more towards the inner corner of my eye, just because I wanted that to all be lit up. By the way, we go in with some dramatic lashes that y'all are gonna be living for.
Will you still be?
There, I'm just taking that pink shimmer and adding that to where I cut my crease. By the way, still wet. You want to make sure that the concealer is not set, so that way when you use these shimmers, they show up the best way possible. And I went back in with that dark brown and used that to add more depth and basically to blend those two together and make sure everything is really blended and flawless.
Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here?
Here I'm taking the Kat Von D liner. Honestly, I love this liner so freaking much. Y'all have no idea. I use it in every single one of my videos and it doesn't smudge for me at all, so I really love that. And I think the application for me, it's gone a lot easier using it, so yeah. Y'all want to make sure whenever y'all are doing y'all's liner, like so, y'all can use tape. I use tape. I think that that's the best method for me. But yeah, you want to make sure that your liner is sharp as, oh, I already said as, okay, so as fuck. So yeah, you want to make sure that it's really sharp, because just in case your man doesn't take you out, he doesn't buy you flowers, he doesn't do anything for you, he forgets it's Valentine's, it's over for him. That liner's going to, you know, I don't even gotta say anything else. Y'all already know. So now I'm just applying the Anastasia Glow in Gumdrop. And I love this highlighter so much just because it's a shade of pink, which goes so well with this look. And it's just bright. It's so sickening. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much to everyone that watches my videos. I want to wish y'all a happy Valentine's. If you go on a date, if you stay at home, if you're going on a date by yourself, you know, spoil yourself because you still deserve that love. Make sure to give yourself that love every day, not just on Valentine's. But yeah, you guys, if y'all recreate this, please make sure to tag me in a picture or DM me a picture. I would love to see. And yeah, make sure to leave some love, some likes, subscribe if you haven't. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And until next time, bye Foxies.